to use the coffee machine, make sure that it's plugged in and the switch is on. Push either of these buttons right here to turn on. Remove the tank. Pour water inside. You have to open the lid. Once you're done, put the tank back. Make sure it's correctly attached to the nozzle. Open. Put the capsule right here. Close. Put the mug right here. Once these two stops blinking, can either select for these options. Once it's done, remove the used capsule by opening this lid right here. You will be able to find the used capsules here. Put it back, close. To turn off, remove the plug and turn off the switch.